In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the URL changer, which allows you to change an old URL to a new URL. Now, this actually goes into your websites and rewrites the links that are already there. So it's not a 301 redirect, but it actually goes into existing posts, existing links, and changes them to a new URL. So, for example, if I've got an old URL here that says Make Money Online Today, and I've changed that, and I don't want to have to go through all my individual posts. I'd rather just have it point to the Make Money Online URL. I just hit Add URL, and that's going to scan my site and change every instance. In this case, 24 times it went, and it has now changed this link to this link. And it really is as easy as that. You can look in here and see where it's mentioned that. Which posts it's changed on, and it's there, it's changed permanently. However, if for any reason you want to undo those changes and go back to the old URL, you can do that. You just click Undo Changes, and that is going to change all of the new URLs back to the old URLs. So that's how you use the URL changer. Thanks a lot.